Hello everyone. This is the question from page number 176. So let's begin with the question number 1. Question number 1 says a ray of light traveling in air enters obliquely into water. So this is a light ray which is given in the question. It is traveling from air. Okay, it is traveling from air into which medium? Water. Okay, and you know water is optically denser. We have studied in the theory portion that water is denser than air. There are two types of densities, that is mass density and optical density. So which one we are discussing about? We are discussing about optical density. So water is optically denser for the light and air is optically rarer in case of light. Okay, optically rarer, that is related to light. So what is happening in the question? Does the light ray? It is asking that does the light ray bend towards the normal or away from the normal? Okay. So you know whenever the light comes from rarer medium to denser medium, will it follow the straight path or will it bend towards the normal? So yes, it will bend towards the normal when it will enter into the denser medium. So it will bend towards the normal. Therefore, in the answer, it is mentioned that the light ray will bend towards the normal, as the air is rarer medium and water is denser medium. So let me read the answer first. When the light ray travels from optically rarer medium to optically denser medium, what happens? It gets bent towards the normal as it is entering into optically denser medium. Since water is optically denser than air, yes, water is optically denser than air, the ray of light traveling from air to water will bend towards the normal. Okay, so this will happen to the light. So let's come to the next question. Question number 2 from the same page number 176. Light enters from air to glass. So here I have drawn one diagram that light is coming from air to which medium? Glass. And the glass is having refractive index 1.5. Okay, so I have written here, this is the refractive index of what? Refractive index of glass with respect to air, since light is coming from air to glass. So this is the refractive index of glass with respect to air is 1.5. What is the speed of light in the glass? So it is asking, which I have represented here with question mark, speed of light in what? Which medium? Glass. Okay. The speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. So speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. So all these things are given and we have to find this velocity. So let's begin with the answer. Okay, the refractive index of the medium has the formula. This is the refractive index of medium. Like here we are discussing about refractive index of which medium? Glass. So refractive index of any medium with respect to air is given by, or with respect to vacuum you can also say. Okay, air is similar to what? Vacuum. We know that in air molecules are present, in vacuum there are no particle molecules, but light behaves same in the vacuum and air. So here it is written that in the formula the refractive index will be always equal to speed of light in vacuum upon denominator we have speed of light in medium. So how we are representing speed of light in vacuum? By symbol of C. And the speed of light in medium we are representing it with V. Okay, so we have the formula that refractive index is equal to C upon V, and previously in the problem we have discussed that C is given as 3 into 10 raised to power 8. And what is the refractive index? 1.5. So what is the formula for V comes out to be? V comes out to be C upon N. N is what? Refractive index of medium, means glass. है ना? So C की value हमने डाली यहाँ पे 3 into 10 raised to power 8, and we put the value of refractive index 1.5 here in the formula. The same formula is written over here, C upon N, and we get the value 2 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. So this is equal to V. So V came out to be 2 into 10 to the power 8, which is nothing but the speed of light in which medium? Second medium, glass. We have discussed here that first medium is air, second medium is glass. And what is the velocity in the glass? It is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay. So let's move to the next question if you understood this. So here is in the question number 3, they are asking to find out from the given table which is given in the book already, and I have just took this table from the book only, and it is asking which medium have the highest optical density. Yeah. So it is asking about the highest optical density and find the medium of lowest optical density. Okay, from the table, which one has the highest optical density and lowest optical density. Now you can see in the table several material mediums are given. Their refractive indexes are also mentioned, and the material medium is made up of this kind of materials. So the material medium is mentioned, and yeah, the same again, some few again materials are mentioned, and this refractive index of these materials are given in the table. So out of these above materials, which one has the highest refractive index? First of all, I'm just asking the question to you that which one has the highest refractive index. Go through the table and tell me which one is which one is having the highest refractive index. So here you can see that 2.42, that is diamond, is having highest refractive index, and which one has the lowest refractive index? Where? Here. Air is the having lowest refractive index. Okay, so you know the optical density is directly related to refractive index. We have already discussed this in the theory lectures that refractive index is directly related to optical density of the medium. If the refractive index is more, optical density is more. If refractive index is less, optical density is less. Then you will ask me how, sir? You know that the light, when it comes from air to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. We discussed this in the last question only. Why it happens? Why light bends? Because it's entering into a denser medium, because its velocity is getting slow, its speed is getting slow, because it's entering into denser medium. If speed is getting slow, then definitely it is entering into denser medium, and denser medium has the higher refractive index. Means more the higher refractive index, more will velocity get less, speed will reduce more, and hence you can say that it is optically denser. Okay, so now tell me which one has the highest refractive index. Diamond is having highest refractive index, therefore it is optically denser, है ना? Most dense medium in above table, and air is the less denser medium or rarest medium, we can say optically rarer medium. Okay, rarest of all. So here you can read the answer. Optically density of medium is directly related to refractive index. Yes, medium has the highest refractive index will have the highest optical density. The medium which will have the highest refractive index will have the highest optical density, and which will have the lowest refractive index will have the lowest optical density. So diamond is having highest refractive index, and air is having lowest refractive index. Therefore, diamond has highest optical density, and air has lowest optical density. Okay, so let's move to the next question.